Russia and China rejoiced when the US canceled the YF-23 in 1991, a fighter jet often hailed as the most advanced of its time. Now, more than 3 decades later, Japan is setting its sights on a competitor to the YF-23, a jet that once amazed the world with its unparalleled range and cutting-edge stealth technology. Japan wouldn't be seeking a new fighter jet if peace seemed assured for the foreseeable future. Its fleet of 200 F-15Js and 150 F-35S, worth approximately $30 billion, has been sufficient to safeguard its airspace. The F-35S in particular are viewed as strong counters to China's expanding fleet of stealth aircraft, including the J-20 and J-31. However, the growing threat from China has escalated concerns. In 2024 alone, Japan intercepted over 1,000 Chinese aircraft. China has already militarized much of the South China Sea, constructing over 3,000 acres of artificial islands equipped with military airstrips, sensors, and surface-to-air missiles, SAMs. Beijing's assertive actions are bolstered by its significant investment in military capabilities, with the People's Liberation Army Air Force now boasting 1,700 fighter aircraft, 400 bombers, 475 transport planes, and 115 special mission aircraft. China has plans to double its nuclear arsenal to over 1,000 warheads by 2023. Additionally, it has heightened tensions with Taiwan through increased military exercises seemingly intended to prepare Beijing's forces for a potential invasion. Japan fears that any conflict involving Taiwan could spill over into its own territory. To bolster its defense, Japan has strengthened its military capabilities with significant support from the United States, particularly on its westernmost island, which lies just 110 kilometers, 68 miles from Taiwan. Japan is home to over 50,000 American troops, hundreds of U.S. military aircraft, and an aircraft carrier strike group that Washington could mobilize to defend Taiwan. However, Japan's aspirations extend far beyond hosting U.S. forces. The country is set to develop a next-generation fighter jet that surpasses the F-35 in stealth capabilities to evade radar, outperforms the F-22 in speed and agility for air combat superiority, and incorporates cutting-edge AI and data-sharing technology to analyze and predict enemy movements in real time. Japan sees significant potential in the design philosophy of the YF-23 as inspiration for this ambitious project. By the late 1980s, the U.S. Air Force faced a growing challenge from advanced Soviet fighters like the MiG-29 and Su-27. The pressure was immediate and undeniable. While the F-15 Eagle had been a dependable workhorse for years, it was beginning to show its age. Recognizing the need for a more advanced aircraft, the Air Force launched the Advanced Tactical Fighter ATF program, a mission to develop the ultimate fighter jet. Among the contenders for this ambitious project was Northrop, a prominent name in military aviation which partnered with McDonnell Douglas. Together, they set out to revolutionize air combat with their design, the YF-23. Their objective was clear: create a fighter that combines stealth, speed, and power. The YF-23 was envisioned to be nearly invisible to radar and fast enough to outmaneuver any adversary, setting a new standard for air superiority. The YF-23 boasted a range of distinctive features that set it apart from conventional aircraft. Its diamond-shaped wings were designed for superior aerodynamic performance, while its V-tail configuration with 2 angled fins provided a unique profile. These fins, controlled by an advanced fly-by-wire system, ensured precise maneuverability even in the most demanding flight scenarios. The aircraft's sleek hexagonal fuselage minimized radar detection, delivering exceptional stealth capabilities. Powered by advanced turbofan engines, the YF-23 achieved supercruise, enabling sustained supersonic speeds without afterburners. This not only enhanced fuel efficiency, but also extended its operational range, making it a formidable contender in air combat. The YF-23 prototypes, nicknamed Black Widow and Grey Ghost, were built to showcase the feasibility and performance of Northrop's innovative design. Rigorous testing confirmed that the YF-23 could effectively counter the Soviet Su-27 and MiG-29 fighters, its primary goal from the outset. However, it wasn't the only competitor in the race. Lockheed, in collaboration with General Dynamics and Boeing, developed the rival prototype, the YF-22, which would later evolve into the iconic F-22 Raptor. While Northrop focused on stealth and speed, Lockheed's team prioritized agility, designing an aircraft capable of performing complex aerial maneuvers. After 4 years of development and evaluation, the U.S. Air Force had to choose between the two. Despite the YF-23 outperforming in several categories, the YF-22 was ultimately declared the winner, a decision that surprised many. Let's delve deeper into the capabilities of both aircraft to understand this outcome. Both fighters shared similarities in key areas, including in-flight refueling capabilities and weapon bays of comparable size, each accommodating up to 4 AIM-120 long-range missiles. Production models were also planned to feature short-range missiles and a cannon. However, at the time, the Air Force placed a heavy emphasis on agility and maneuverability, perhaps too much so, some might argue. When the F-22 was unveiled with thrust vectoring engines capable of horizontal rotation, offering extraordinary maneuverability, the Air Force evaluators were captivated. This was an era where air superiority often hinged on the most agile fighters able to outmaneuver adversaries in dogfights. The YF-23, while prioritizing other capabilities, was still an agile contender, capable of achieving 60 to 70 degree angles of attack without thrust vectoring. However, during its 65-hour flight tests, it was reportedly flown at only 25-degree angles, which failed to impress the evaluators. Consequently, the F-22 scored higher in the maneuverability category. That said, the YF-23 excelled in other areas, notably in its superior supercruise capabilities, enabling it to sustain supersonic speeds without afterburners for longer durations than the F-22. The YF-23 also offered a longer range and a lower radar cross-section, making it exceptionally stealthy. In today's world, range and stealth are far more critical factors, as modern warfare relies more on strategy than brute force. Stealth and range allow for greater strategic flexibility, whereas maneuverability alone has limited utility. For instance, short-range fighters without the support of aircraft carriers are almost impractical in contemporary conflicts. The F-22 has a relatively modest range of 1,850 nautical miles, whereas the YF-23 boasted an impressive 2,400 nautical miles. Some argue that Lockheed decades ago simply outperformed Northrop in marketing the F-22. If the YF-23 had been piloted by someone different during evaluations, it might have become the world's first operational fifth-generation fighter instead of the F-22. Now, if you like this video, check out this next video right here.